How to fix GTA 5 infinite loading screen on Windows 11, step-by-step guide. Hey there GTA fans. Getting stuck on the infamous infinite loading screen on Windows 11 can be super frustrating, especially when all you want to do is jump into Los Santos. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and most effective ways to fix the infinite loading screen in GTA 5. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check system requirements. First things first, let's double-check if your system meets the minimum requirements to run GTA 5 smoothly on Windows 11. Sometimes a quick glance can save a lot of frustration later on. Make sure your CPU, RAM, and GPU meet or exceed the minimum specs for GTA 5, which you can easily find on Rockstar's website. If everything checks out, let's move on. Step 2. Run GTA 5 as administrator. Next up, try running GTA 5 as an administrator. Right-click the GTA 5 shortcut, and from the menu, select Run as Administrator. This grants the game the necessary permissions to bypass any restrictions that could be causing loading issues. Step 3. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are often behind loading issues. To update yours, go to your Windows search bar, type Device Manager, and open it. Find Display Adapters, click the arrow to expand, and right-click on your graphics card. Then click Update Driver. You can choose to search for updated drivers automatically. Also, don't forget you can visit your GPU manufacturer's website for the latest updates directly. Keep your drivers up to date, not just for GTA 5 but for a smoother gaming experience overall. Step 4. Verify game files. If your game files are corrupt or missing, it could lead to an infinite loading screen. Here's how to verify your files. If you're using Steam, go to your library, right-click on GTA 5, choose Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan your files and replace any that might be causing issues. Epic Games users, the process is similar. Go to your library, find GTA 5, click on the three dots, and select Verify. Step 5. Clear GTA 5 cache files. Another common fix is to clear out the GTA 5 cache. Corrupted cache files can often cause loading problems. Here's how you do it. Head to your GTA 5 directory. This is usually under Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5. Find and delete the cache folder. Don't worry, GTA 5 will automatically recreate it next time you launch the game. Tip: clearing the cache can also help resolve other minor in-game issues, so it's worth doing occasionally. Step 6. Adjust virtual memory settings. Sometimes, Windows virtual memory settings can cause issues with loading screens in games. Here's how to adjust them. Open your control panel and search for Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance section, click Settings. Then go to the Advanced tab. Click on Change under Virtual Memory, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size, and select Custom Size. Set the initial size to at least 1.5 times your RAM and the maximum size to 3 times your RAM. For example, if you have 8 GB of RAM, set the initial size to 12,000 MB and the maximum size to 24,000 MB. Tip: increasing virtual memory can help improve overall system performance, especially if you're low on RAM. Step 7. Reinstall or repair GTA 5. If none of the previous steps worked, you may need to reinstall GTA 5. This sounds drastic, but it can be effective if the issue is due to a deep-seated error. To reinstall, go to your library on Steam or Epic Games Launcher, right-click on GTA 5, and select Uninstall. After that, download and reinstall the game. Tip: a clean installation often clears up unexpected glitches and ensures everything is running on the latest updates. And there you have it. Those are the best ways to fix the infinite loading screen on GTA 5 in Windows 11. With these steps, you'll be back in the game in no time. If this video helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming fixes, and let us know in the comments which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.